Mommy, Baba.
Hi guys, good morning.
Hey, mommy, daddy.
It's not Daddy. Say hello.
Hello. And daddy,
We are four, right? Siamo fuori, è vero? Ecco. Good morning guys. So, how you guys doing? Welcome to another vlog. It is a bright day, even though it's still very cold. I'm already go that way. Okay, excellent. Okay, so even though it's still cold, very cold, very cold, but it's a little bit sunny. So, and it's a Saturday. So what I usually do Saturday morning is that after taking my two elder sons to school, I kind of like do a little bit of walking with the twins so that they can as well come outside, receive some fresh air, and we can still see around and all of that. So that's what we are doing here. The weather permits us today, so we are doing that today. And the days in which the weather does not permit, that the weather is very cold and there's no sun, I don't bring them out. I don't take that chances at all. So walk with us close to our neighborhood, but we'll still be going far away from our neighborhoods anyway because they love walking. So welcome to another vlog, and walk with us, and hope you enjoy. How you guys doing? Compliments of the season. Hope you guys are doing great. And yes,
Daddy, mom.
be careful, be careful. Again, I really want to take this opportunity, guys, to appreciate you all for your massive support on my last two videos where I was down, where I was diagnosed of anemia. But I thank God I'm at home now and everything is okay. I'm getting myself together, taking my prescription, and living a healthy life, which I have always been living. But at times when things happen, you just can't tell. But God being God, He is always a faithful God. So I'm fine now, and thank you guys so much. The love was just excess. I kind of like, a lot of people also wrote that they have gone through the same thing, and it made me feel that I wasn't alone. Okay, so I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Now I'm going to be showing you guys where we are, and you guys should just enjoy the views. Okay, boom boom.
No.
Boom boom.
No.
No boom boom.
No.
Okay. This is one of the park close to us, though I usually don't bring them to this park. It's rare, but it's a cool park to also come in, though there are no much what will I say, things for the kids to play with, but it's still okay. Amore, come closer, come closer. Okay, come closer, okay.
To you.
Yeah.
Mommy, to you.
Huh?
Hey, mommy, only to you. Hey, mommy, to you.
What's that? Happy birthday.
To your mommy.
But today is not my birthday.
T.
No, today is not my birthday.
T.
Are you the one to tell me the day that is my birthday?
T.
No.
T.
No, not you. This is another park.
Yeah.
Another park that we usually come to play during the summer.
T.
Guys, you guys remember here, right?
T.
Yeah.
No.
No, we can't enter there.
No.
No, we can't.
T.
It's
No.
cold and it's
No.
wet, and it's not okay to be in there right now, okay?
T. T.
Huh?
Dopo.
Dopo?
T.
Okay.
Dopo.
We should go home.
No.
Should we go home?
No.
Okay. You don't want to go home now?
No.
Should we go home and rest?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Let's go on.
T.
No. Questo, perché questo è venuto prima di lui. Sì, sì.
Ciao.
Ciao. Sì? No. Possiamo andare fuori?
Guarda fuori, fate.
No, sulla strada, a centro? No, non possiamo.
Mami.
Guys, it's so freezing out here. My God. So, we have been walking for the past 30 minutes now, and we came to an area where one of our Italian friends, they are residing where they live. And they said they quickly recognized it and they said they want to say hello. So we are there right now. Let's just say hello and we'll go home.
Open,
See,
mommy, open.
Open.
T.
You want me to open it?
T. Look at them.
But we have to first of all ring the bell, okay? Betty.
Vabbè, ma passerà.
Ciao.
Bravi, fate bravi.
Amore, salutate che andiamo.
Betty.
Ciao Betty.
Ciao, ciao.
Riposati, ok?
Sempre c'è qua riposato. Ciao, vi saluto.
Dai la mano a me, ok?
Mommy Lee.
Mhm.
No.
Give your hands to your brother. Oh yeah, let's go.
Papa, mommy.
Mm.
Antonio.
Who is Antonio?
Antonio Cante. Antonio Cante.
Antonio?
Antonio Cante.
È in classe?
Sì. No.
Tuo compagno?
Eh.
Antonio piange?
Sì.
Ah, perché?
Entonces. No. Vale mamma.
Ah, Antonio vuole la mamma?
Sì.
Ecco perché lui piange.
Sì.
Allora, che cosa fa la maestra? La maestra le fa... Ah, ok, la maestra le dice dopo,
Sì.
quando la scuola si finisce,
Sì.
e poi viene la mamma a prenderlo, è vero?
Sì.
E tu cosa fai? È tuo amico?
Sì.
Cosa te lo dici? Lo dici basta piangere? Basta, calmati. Dopo viene la mamma.
Sì.
Ok. Guys, we just got back now, so cold is just too much, but we just enter the house now. Wait, hold on. So guys, like I said before, we are back and they're just resting now, and I'm going to be ending this vlog here. So hope you guys enjoyed working with us, and thank you guys so much for all your support and compliments of the season once more. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Thank you, remain blessed, and love you guys. Ciao. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
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 Bye-bye.